Okay, so this is a really basic one that I do on a regular basis. You can eat well on a budget. So here at Bird Kitchen, I'll show you how. For starters, you're going to take one chicken breast that's been cubed, and you're going to let it sit in there and cook up for a little while here. Add a little bit of whatever seasoning you prefer. I like a little bit of salt, pepper, some paprika, and some garlic powder. Cut up an onion and add it. And let that cook for a little. Okay, and then I cut up 3 or 4 small mushrooms. I got 4 baby carrots that I quartered and then cut them down the middle, and a small sweet pepper, and we'll just add that. You know, and all this you can just alter it to your particular taste. Put this in here. Stir it in there a little bit. Let it cook. And then I've also got half a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, and I added some chicken bouillon to it. That will be added to it later on. But you want to let that sit there and cook. And I'll add some frozen peas. Fresh would be better, but I mean, it's February. I can't grow it out in the garden right now. And we'll cook that in there. We'll wait for the rice to finish, and then we'll mix that in. And you want to let it just sit there and cook away for a while. Make it nice and well done. Onions caramelized. When you're cooking, you want to cook with butter. If you have margarine or some other artificial thing like that, do yourself and your digestive system a great big favor. Just throw that stuff away. Human body is not designed to be able to digest that. Okay, so my rice is almost done. And I like to go and add about a handful of, not cherry tomatoes, they call them grape tomatoes. And you want to do this just before it's done. If you put them in too early, they'll heat up and they will literally pop. So you just want them in there long enough to get hot. And in a few minutes here, I'm going to add the rice, and that will finish heating them up. And we'll be done. And then last, we'll add the rice. And after you've stirred it in a little bit, add a little bit of paprika. And that's my take on chicken and rice. It's a real simple dish. It's as beautiful as it tastes. And total cost here is about $1.50, $2. And this is enough for 2 or 3 servings. So, yeah, you don't have to spend a lot of money to eat well. I hope you enjoyed this. Now I'm going to go enjoy this, eating it. Thanks again from Bird Kitchen.